The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by Rubbermaid.
On Sunday, we celebrated Earth Day, and that should serve as a reminder of the need to protect our environment and preserve our natural resources. Joining us today is Annabelle Gurwitch, actress, author, activist, all of those, and the host of Wasted on PlanetGreen.com. Yeah, you may also remember Annabelle as the host of TBS's Dinner and a Movie series, and she starred in let's just say a whole lot of movies. Anna, good to talk to you.
Oh, Lindsay, thanks so much for having me. You know, I just think it's a great time of year to take stock and think about how you can change little things in your life that are good for the planet, that are also, coincidentally, good for your wallet.
Absolutely. Hey, I got to ask you, though, as host of Wasted, you were always rooting through people's garbage. What did you find in there? Other than lots of junk.
A lot of food, a lot of clothing. And, you know, here's something that I think is one of the things I think is so important that I found. And that is single-use items. That's things you buy, you use once, and you throw away. But there's a way to get around that. Like today, I want to mention something which Rubbermaid has come out with. It's called lunch blocks, right? It's reusable containers for your lunch. It snaps together. It's so convenient. It keeps all your food separate. If you've got kids, you know that's important. And what that's doing for the earth is you're not throwing away, and I've seen it in people's garbage, all those plastic bags, paper, and tinfoil. These are all reusable. And you're also saving money because you're not buying that stuff that you need every week.
Right. You're just reusing it all the time. And that's really, it's going to help your bank account just as it's going to help the planet, just as much. Exactly.
And, you know, here's another thing I found a lot of. You know, bottles and cans are recyclable, but they just don't always make it into the recycling stream. You know, the average American family goes through 2,000 bottles and cans of soda and sparkling water every year. That's just really unbelievable.
It's shocking.
Yeah, and so I have something here called SodaStream, and I totally love this. My kid loves it. It makes your water turn into sparkling water and turn into soda in a couple of seconds. It has reusable bottles. They're BPA free. You can have them for 3 to 5 years. It's so convenient. And again, you're not spending all that money on soda and on sparkling water.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. We've seen a lot of the SodaStream around lately, and it's a great help to the environment. What's another good product that we can use that'll help us cut back on our budget, but it will also be earth friendly as well?
Okay, well, you know, one of the biggest things that faces us as a problem on the planet and as a country are emissions, you know, and a lot of people have switched to hybrids, but if you can't afford to do that, there is something you can do. You can have your tires rotated. That makes your car work more efficiently. You can also use a premium synthetic oil like Royal Purple here, okay? You use that, and your car works up to 5% better, which means it lowers the emissions, and you're not putting as much gas in your car. So that is really money-saving, and it's good for the planet.
And you'll feel good about that, too. Annabelle Gurwitch, good to talk to you.
Thank you for having me, Lindsay.
Thank you. All right, still to come on Daytime, Jerry Penacoli from Extra talks about Dick Clark's death. We'll be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Rubbermaid.